Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add new user from backend. Go to Configuration and User Administration. Click on Add User. Write down the login details. Click Save. Type the password to save it. New user has been added successfully. Now log out from the backend and log in from the new user. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.